Hi, Assalamualaikum and greetings to all my lecturers and panels. My name is Nur Hamidati binti Muhammad Hazikti, matric number 14 DSB 17, F 2017. I am major in Diploma Architecture at Polytechnic Merlimau, Melaka. I am currently doing my industrial training at Ahmad Izaham Architect firm for only 20 weeks, starting from 13th of July 2020 until 27th of November 2020. Before we go to the company's background, let's go to our objective. Objective of industrial training is to enable students to work as a team, trustworthy, confident and responsible. Give the student to feel the real world of work and understanding more about the work environment, and able to give students an experience and opportunity to practice the knowledge that have gained at Polytechnic Merlimau, Melaka. Ahmad Izaham Architect is located at Jalan Memandan 9, Ampang Point, near KPZ Ampang. The operation hour for weekday is from 8:30 AM to 5:30 PM. So next, we are gonna go to the organization chart of Ahmad Izaham Architect. The principal architect is A.R. Ahmad Izaham bin Mahayuddin, with associate partner Encik Muhammad Azhari bin Muhammad Saleh. This internship program is specially led by Encik Sharonizam bin Ishaq, one of the architect in this firm. Ahmad Izaham Architect firm is an architecture firm that provides service such as interior design, landscape art and architecture planning. In these 20 weeks at Ahmad Izaham Architect firm, I get to learn and improve my skill in software, office skill, technical, presentation drawing, project procedure and management, lastly local authority improvement application. List of software that I have improved my skill and learn more about it is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, AutoCAD and SketchUp. Also for office skill, I learned to send fax using the fax machine, photostate the A3 size plan into A1 size plan. I learned to different types of painting, arrangement of drawing, specification and pen assignment at AutoCAD about presentation drawing, development proposal to submit at LCP, improve drawing to presentation and 3D modeling. Then I get to learn a new knowledge, which is project procedure and management. There are many types of procedure. I list for 4 only. CNSE is for Certificate of Non-Completion, CPM Critical Path Project, DLP Defect Liability Period, which is we use when we want to check the defect at the building, and lastly EOT, Extension of Time, and lastly is Local Authority Approval Application. There are lists and steps that I want to share. There is application procedure, coloring and providing application drawing, which is I will show you later, and PPT requirements. I want to show you the project flow before we start a new project. So first of all, client will choose appointment and consultant. After that, design and cost determination. And third step is application for approval PPT, which is local authority. Then after PPT approved, then we go to the tender, and then construction, and lastly project submission. And before tender, actually at the application for approval PPT, there are more steps. Come, I show you. Okay, so these are the steps and process when making an application for approval PPT. So this is the drawing of coloring and providing application drawing. So this is the example. Therefore, this is the technical, which is type of drawing. First is preliminary drawing, second is drawing approval, third is drawing tender, fourth is a construction drawing, then lastly build-in drawing. So now I will show you the more detail of the drawing. First of all is preliminary drawing, there are two drawings, and secondly is drawing approval, which is the colored one. Third, tender drawing, which is we already settled the approval, PBT approval, local authority approval. Then fourth is construction drawing, which is we will combine our drawings with CNS, civil and structure, and M&E, mechanical and electrical. And lastly is built-in drawing. Okay, now we jump to presentation drawing. There are two types of presentation drawing that I want to show you. First is development proposal report, which is every proposal of new project we need to make a new report and presentation drawing to give presentation to the client. And second is the example of 3D SketchUp. So now we go to the software, which is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, SketchUp, Adobe Photoshop and AutoCAD. So I have provide the example of the software and what project that I am doing using the software. I give you the example of Microsoft Word, AutoCAD and Photoshop, and lastly 3D SketchUp. So this is the example of Microsoft Word, and this is the example of AutoCAD, which is I always get project about renovation bungalow house, and this is the plan. You can see the new and the old one. And this is the Photoshop that the new project that I have assigned is to make a layout for Mandam Rahi shape. This is the case study that I have assigned to do to research more about types of shape and maritime museum. Okay, so this is the last software that I have learned at Ahmad Izaham Architect, is SketchUp, which is I'm not doing it alone. I have guided by Encik Hafiz, the 3D designer at Ahmad Izaham Architect, by making the replica of Mandam Merahi shape for our new project at Melaka. So this is the view from the bird eye view, and there is the label about there are galleries, kiosks, recreation center, and much more. So this is the upper deck. We want to provide the cafe. So this is the office skill that I have learned at Ahmad Izaham Architect. First is skill using fax machine, second is writing skill, third is skill using the scanner machine, and lastly skill using the plotter machine, which is not everyone got that experience and skills. So the conclusion is this industrial training is conducted so that students understand all the aspects contained in the field to follow its architecture. Even with such industrial training, it is cannot directly provide exposure to students in learning in the realm of work. So this is a good opportunity to students to experience and practice about the knowledge that they have gained at Polytechnic. So that's all from me.